Hi there, welcome back to the WordPress developer course. In this video, we'll be talking about WordPress themes. They are one of WordPress' more inherent and useful features that enable you to customize your site's appearance and even incorporate additional functionality. Whether it's a niche theme or a multipurpose theme, what it does for you, it single-handedly installs graphic styles, CSS, and codes for the layout of your website. So for you to start that, you come to your appearance tab and go to themes, click on themes. There are two ways to do this. Okay, currently this is displaying all the themes currently installed on your website. If you want to add a new one, you click this button. On this page, it shows you all the WordPress repo, like all the data, all the themes in the database. This is more than 5,000 plus themes, and they have free and paid ones. If you want to use any free theme here, you can just click install and it's directly installed to your WordPress site, ready for customization. If you want to upload a theme, you click this button. In this case, I am uploading a theme. So I click install after selecting the theme file. So where do you get some premium themes? Premium themes are gotten from websites like Theme Forests. There are so many websites that offer premium themes. Like, let's say you want to do a food blog or something. You just search it here. You see food blog. You can live preview. You see the amount. When you pay the amount, It's gonna give you access to download a compressed zip file, which includes all the licensing, the documentation, and all the theme files that you need to upload for customization on your WordPress site. So my team is currently uploading, and I'm going to pause this video and wait till it's done and come back. Yeah, so it has been installed, and this page will show you the theme has been installed successfully. You can live preview it. Me, I'm going to click activate, so that we'll move on to the next step. So once it's activated, you can kindly visit your site to see the look and feel. Okay, this is it. The demo of how the site looks. Mind you, some themes comes with a demo importer, which allows you to import all demo content of the particular theme made available by the developers of that theme. Some doesn't come with it. You have to customize everything from scratch using plugins like Elementor or WP Page Builder. These are all available on Team Forest. Some are free, you can get them on the WordPress database